We are now heading to Vale Campground in the Royal National Park for our next camping adventure. We have just passed the entrance of Royal National Park. We are almost there. Yeah, there's another 2 kilometers to go.
Turn left, Sea Breeze Lane.
Yeah, we are here at the Vale picnic area. This is the picnic area. About to enter the Vale Campground. Oh, okay, good. The gate is open. Okay, now we're going to look for campsite number 11. Here is our campsite number 11. Our campsite is on a grassy area and also facing the beach. Oh, that's very nice. Beautiful. What a view! It's the garbage area, and I'm walking towards the toilet block. This toilet block is only for campers to use. This is the laundry and washing up area, and also for baby chairs. Hello, cockatoos. We are driving around to have an overview of the campground. These are the campground close to the bush. A lot of mangroves here. See? You can come here later. Check it out. Beach. Yeah, right in front of the beach. This is site number 80 and 81. Yeah, 82, 83. We are now at the beach. Yeah, it's very quiet and peaceful today. Not many people around. That's what we want, which is good. Yeah, it is low tide now. And the water is very far away. Look at the birds. They are looking for dinner. See how far have we walked. See, our tent is just there. Over there. Hi! We are almost reaching the mangrove. Look at the two little ducklings.